Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know we all love something warm and hugging, especially during cold seasons, and that sometimes I know during this season it will be raining or even beyond this season. This is a drink that you're gonna love. We are going to make hot chocolate. Yes, with your favorite bar of chocolate, that's what you're gonna make today. So with a few simple ingredients, let's get into it, and I'm certain that this is a drink that you're gonna love. Let's do it together. Here is everything you need, and I promise you already have most of this in your kitchen. First up, milk. I'm using regular dairy milk today, but here's the thing, you can use any milk you love. Almond, oat, coconut, soy, they all work beautifully, so if you are lactose intolerant or dairy free, you are totally covered. Next, dark chocolate. This is our secret weapon. We are not using cocoa powder only, we are using real chocolate, and it makes all the difference. Look for something around 50 to 70% cacao. Next up, we have unsweetened cocoa powder. This gives us that deep, intense chocolate flavor. Honey for sweetness. It adds this gorgeous natural sweetness, but if you prefer, you can absolutely use regular sugar instead. And finally, marshmallows for topping. Though if you are more of a whipped cream person, go ahead and use that instead. No judgment here. We are making your perfect hot chocolate. Now let's talk about this chocolate. We need to break it down so it melts smoothly and quickly. I'm using my trusty Tupperware peeler. Yes, a peeler. Watch this. Just run it along the edge of your chocolate bar and you get these beautiful thin shavings. See how delicate these are? This is so much better than chopping because these thin pieces will melt almost instantly when they hit our hot milk. No chunks, no graininess, just smooth, silky chocolate. Keep going until you've shredded your entire piece. Look at that pile of chocolate shaving. Doesn't it just look luxury? Alright, let's bring this together. I'm heating my milk over medium heat, not too high. We don't want it to boil or scorch. We are looking for it to be hot and steamy, with little bubbles forming around the edges, and there we go, and it's perfect. Now in goes the cocoa powder, and here is where the magic happens. We are going to whisk, really whisk. This is important because cocoa powder loves to clump, and we want this silky smooth. Keep whisking in a circular motion, making sure you're getting into the corners of the pot. See how it's starting to come up together? That rich dark color developing? That's what you want. No lumps, just pure chocolate haven. Now it's time for our honey. Pour it right in. The warmth of the milk will help you dissolve perfectly. And now the star of the show, our chocolate shavings. In they go. Now here's the secret, and I really mean this. Whisking is everything. Don't just stir, whisk vigorously. This does two things. First, it melts the chocolate completely and incorporates it into every bit of that milk. Second, and this is the secret that makes this taste like it came from a fancy cafe, whisking creates micro bubbles. Those tiny bubbles make your hot chocolate feel creamier, richer, almost velvety on your tongue. So keep whisking for about a minute. Look at that beautiful glossy thick hot chocolate. Can you see how it coats the whisk? That's the texture we are after. This isn't watery hot chocolate. It's the real deal. Time to serve this beauty up. Pour it into your favorite mug. Unfortunately, mine poured on the counter and I had to change up things. But look at that color. That rich deep brown. That's real chocolate. Now the finishing touch. Marshmallows. I'm piling these on top because you don't do anything halfway here. Watch them start to melt from the heat of that chocolate. If you have whipping cream, well and good, do use what you have. This is what hot chocolate should be. Rich, creamy, made with real ingredients, and so much better than anything you'll get from a packet or even most coffee shops. The full recipe with the exact measurements is up on my website, link in the description box down below. I've also included all the substitutions there, so whether you're dairy free, vegan, or just want to customize it to your own way, I've got you covered. And there you have it. Let's taste this together. so warm and comforting. I hope you got to try this. And when you do, please leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, share the video, like, and see you on the next one.